we are going to start by making a magic circle. Wrap the yarn around your finger once, pull it out, insert your hook in the circle, yarn over and pull through. Chain 1, tighten. This is just to secure the circle. Chain up 2, which doesn't count as a stitch. In that circle, make a total of 8 double crochets. So guys, here I have a total of 8 double crochets. I'm going to drag this tail to close up the circle. Now skip the 2 chains, go over to the first double crochet and make a slip stitch. So this is what our first round looks like. For the second round, we'll chain up 2. I'm going to be hiding this long tail along as I go, so I'm going to bring it forward. In that first stitch, make 1 double crochet in the space. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. In the next, make 1 double crochet, and in the next, make 2 double crochets. So we're going to be repeating it until we get to the end of the row, of the round rather. Now skip the 2 chains and go over to the first double crochet and make a slip stitch to finish up the second round. So your work should look curvy like this. So this is what it looks like. Okay, for the third round, you're going to chain up 2. In that same stitch, make 1 double crochet. Continue making 1 double crochet in all the circle, continue making 1 double crochet in all the stitches. I'm here at the end of the third round. I'll skip the 2 chains and go over to the first double crochet and make a slip stitch. This is what our work looks like right now after the third round. So for the fourth round, we are going to chain up 2, make 1 double crochet in that same stitch. Oh, I'm just going to take that again. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. In the third stitch, make 2 double crochets. 1 double crochet in 2 stitches and 2 double crochets in the third stitch. So repeat these until you get to the end of the round. I'll make sure to show you what to do next. So for the fifth round, chain 2, make 1 double crochet in all the stitches, no increase. I'll meet you at the end of the round. Okay, so guys, I'm done with the fifth round. For the sixth round, chain 2, make 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. In the fourth stitch, make 2 double crochets. Continue repeating these until you get to the end of the round. You should end every increase round with an increase, okay? And always keep the first the 2 chains and make your slip stitch in the first double crochet. For the seventh round, we are going to chain 2, make 1 double crochet in all the stitches until we get to the end of the round. I'll make sure there to show you what to do next. Okay, so I'm done with the seventh round. For the eighth round, we're going to chain 2, then make 1 double crochet, just like on the sixth The sixth round we made one double crochet in 3 stitches. So this one we're going to make one double crochet in 4 stitches and make an increase in the fifth one. So this is the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So in the next, which is the fifth, we're going to make 2 double crochets, which is an increase. So continue repeating that, one double crochet in 4 stitches and 2 double crochets, or an increase in the fifth stitch. I'll make my slip stitch on the first double crochet, then chain up 2. For the ninth round, we are going to make 1 double crochet in all the stitches, no increase. I'll meet you at the end of the round. So guys, I just finished the ninth round, and this is what my work is looking like so far. You see it's expanding. So this is how we're going to be expanding it until it will be large enough to, you know, cover up your head, like your head circumference. I think that is it. Yeah. Okay. So right now, I know advanced crocheters have already, understood the pattern we are using for this. I'm just trying to carry everybody along. So for the 10th round, chain 2 and make 1 double crochet. Okay, so let me show you a trick on how not to be counting. You don't have to be counting your stitches anymore. So this is where we made our increase for the previous increase round. Okay, so make your 1 double crochet until you get to the first of the increase. So this 2 double crochets is right on the increase, this particular increase. So right now you are here at the first one. This is the first, this is one of the increase stitch, this is the second one. So this is it. So in this one is where you're going to be making your increase. Sorry, I don't know this yarn. I have a lot of unwanted tails, so I'm just going to make my increase. For the 10th round, we made 1 double crochet in 5 stitches, then made an increase in the sixth one. In the 11th round is going to be 1 double crochet all round, no increase. Then in the 12th round, we're going to make increase 1 double crochet in 6 stitches and an increase in the seventh stitch, and continue until we get to the end of the round. So I know many people already know how to go about this, like advanced crocheters. So I'll still drop a written instruction, because if I don't, it's going to make this video so long. And also I'll just tell you, you should keep increasing just according to the instruction I'm going to put on um the screen. You should just keep increasing according to it until you have your size, okay, the length you are working with, the circumference, okay, because you might be working for a child, you might be working for an adult, you might be working for a woman with braids or wig or whatever. So just work with your own size, okay. So we're gonna keep increasing until we have the perfect size, the width. For us, this is the place you're going to be measuring. You don't really have a problem with this, unless you want this longer. Hey guys, so I'm done with mine. So I just finished my 30th round, and this is what my work looks like. I'm going to measure to show you how many inches that I have. I stretched a little bit because I want to get the exact measurement. Okay, so for the width, I have about 9 inches and a line or so. For the length, I have a total of 14 inches. Okay, so if this measurement is not okay for you, let's say you want yours bigger, just use the pattern and keep increasing until you have what you want. For the 31st round, we are going to chain up 2 and make 1 double crochet in that same stitch. I'll continue making 1 double crochet in all the stitches until I get to the end of the round. I'll meet you there to show you what to do next. So guys, I'm here at the end of that first round. I'll skip the 2 chains and go over to the first double crochet and make my slip stitch. And this is what my work looks like. So we're going to be repeating that first round in the next 6 rounds. Okay, so it's just the same thing. Chain 2, make 1 double crochet in that same stitch, and continue making 1 double crochet in all the stitches until you get to the end of the round. Skip the 2 chains and make a slip stitch on the first double crochet of that round. So keep repeating until you are done with yours. I'll meet you when I'm done with mine to show you what to do next. Hey guys, so this is what my work looks like right now. I have a total of 37 rounds. I'll measure to show you how many inches I have in total right now. So I have about 17 inches and few lines. The goal was to have 3 more inches, making it a total of 17 inches. So it's not bad for me. Okay. We are going to introduce the next color, which is white. So I'm going to get the color. This is how I make my own connection. I don't know about you. So I'm going into the first double crochet that I made. I was supposed to use this previous color to make a slip stitch, but I'm going to use the new color to make a slip stitch. Okay. After that, I'll tie a knot twice to secure the connection. Now chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in that same stitch. I'm hiding these both tails along as I go, so continue making 1 single crochet in all the stitches until you get to the end of the row, until you get to the end of the round rather. I'll meet you there to show you what to do next. I'm here at the end of the round. I'll make a slip stitch on the first single crochet that we have there. So this is what my work looks like right now. It's turning out well. It's looking beautiful. Now we're going to make a total of 9 chains, 8 plus 1 chain. Okay, so here I have my 9 chains. I will skip the first chain and go over to the second chain from the hook and make a single crochet, and I'll continue making 1 single crochet in all the chain stitches until I get to the end of the row. I'm here at the end of the row. I have a total of 8 single crochets. I'll make a slip stitch in the next stitch, and this is what it looks like. It's approximately 2 inches. I'll make another slip stitch in the next stitch, making it a total of 2 slip stitches. Turn my work and skip the 2 slip stitches. Go over to the last single crochet that I made for the previous row and make 1 single crochet on both loop of that last single crochet. In the next stitch, we're going to make our single crochet on the back loop. We'll continue making our single crochet on the back loop until we have 1 stitch left at the top. I'm here at the end of the row right here. I'll go in both loops and make my last single crochet. Okay, for the next row, chain 1 and turn. In the first stitch, you're going to make your 1 single crochet on both loops. In the next 6 stitches, you're going to make 1 single crochet on back loops only. I'm here at the end of the row. I'll make my last single crochet on the both loops and make a slip stitch in the next stitch and the second slip stitch in the next stitch. Okay, turn my work, skip the two slip stitches and go over to the first last double crochet and make my double crochet on both loops. So we're going to be repeating these until we are done. Okay, so the first and last stitches we are making our double single crochets on both loops. So go on until you are done with yours. I'll meet you to show you what to do next. I'm here at the end of the last row of the ribbon part, and this is what my work looks like right now. So we are going over to closing the opening or the gap that we have right here. Okay, so chain one and turn your work, go into both loop of this first stitch and in the first stitch of this one on both loops and make your first slip stitch. Next, we are going to be working on the back loop of this part, and I think back loop of this part and front loop of this other part, I think that is the right way to say it. Okay, so we are doing this because we want the closure to be ripped too. Okay, so I'm gonna continue working on the back loop and the front loop of the boat, you know, until I get to the end of the row where I have one stitch left. So I have one stitch left. I'll go into both loop of the both parts and make my last slip stitch. So after that, I'm going to chain up one and tighten it. You can chain two actually or not. Okay, so grab my scissors and cut the yarn off, then pull this out and tighten it. So you can tie a knot twice and cut the yarn off or hide it along. So guys, this is what our work is looking like right now. I hope yours turn out well as well. Okay, so next we are going to be adding the pom-pom. So I'm going to show you the easiest way of making a pom-pom. Okay, so we are going to be needing our white color yarn, of course. Okay, so here is my white color yarn, and I'm going to be wrapping this yarn on my fingers, like my four fingers, just like this. I actually made a total of 40, like round my finger like 40 times. So at this point, after tying your knot, go ahead and cut your tail the same length with your pom-pom. If you want, you can trim your pom-pom. If you don't want, you can just go ahead and rock it. As you can see, I'm already rocking mine and it looks so beautiful on me. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Merry Christmas to you all and Happy New Year in advance. Bye. See you in my next video. Mwah.